My name is Yuying Wei, and together with my friends and my co-founders, Lam Pham and Min Wei, we are building Ricefield. Ricefield is a social media platform for college students to basically share news, updates, to see what's going on their campus, in their classes, the dorms, dining halls, anything on campus. So basically the slogan is that see what's cooking on campus. What's inspired us to start Ricefield is that we came in here as international students from Vietnam. We knew nothing about the United States, about the college, and we wanted to see which events are on campus. So we hope that this platform will help students to understand what's going on in their classes on the campus before going to school, so they can have a better understanding and enjoy the campus more. What motivates us and the team to be entrepreneurs and every single day and to start Ricefield in the first place is that we want to do something different on campus. And also, when it comes to connection with students in general, we feel like there's been kind of a lack of communication. So we built Ricefield to make the connection and communication between students, not just within Mission State, but also within every single school in the US, better and more tight-knit. So what we see as the future for Ricefield is that we want to make this a social platform where every single college student of the United States will use to basically share their updates and news and have fun with their friends in college and in classes and share their experience. And at the end of the day, we want to bring the Spartan spirit to nationwide. So what my team and I love about being part of the Burgess New Venture Challenge is that it's a really good environment for us to compete with other students. But at the end of the day, we love to showcase our product and our company to the entire MSU students body, so that we can have a better understanding of the students' environment and their perspective on what's going on campus.